Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Dsouza and today I'm going to do a makeup look, and this is the makeup look that I'm going to do today. So it's for the festive season, so yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So let's begin with a moisturizer. I'm using the Sponge Super Light Gel all over my face. You can use any moisturizer according to your skin type. I have super oily skin, so I'll be using this gel which is water based. So next I'm using this aloe vera gel from Liver Ayush. You can use whichever you like. A lot of brands have their own aloe vera gel. You can also apply the natural aloe vera gel directly from the plant. So now I'm using a primer to even out the texture on my skin, which will help to get a flawless base. I suggest to apply a primer before your foundation so that it creates a layer between your skin and a foundation. So let's move on to foundation. I'm going to mix these two shades to get the perfect shade for my skin. Now use a damp beauty blender and blend in the foundation really nicely. Take your time and blend in the foundation. You can skip your foundation and just use a concealer if you do not need much coverage. Next, I've used a concealer to conceal any dark spots and dark circles. If you have not used foundation before, use a full coverage concealer which matches your skin perfectly to get a good coverage. Blend in the concealer under your eyes properly so that you do not have any crease. So somehow I have lost the footage of me setting my face with a compact powder, so do not forget to set your face well. Now let's move on to filling in the brows. I feel doing the brows is the most important thing in the makeup. It gives a different look. Also, you tell me in the comment section below which is your favorite part in doing the makeup. Now let's do the eyeshadow. I'm using the Hilary Dora palette. You can use any palette which you have. Now take a brown shade from your palette, tap off the excess and then apply it on your crease as I have shown. Blend it in really well to get the finished look and so that it doesn't look awkward. Repeat the same thing on the other eye. Now take a bronze shimmer shade or a golden shimmer shade will also do and apply it all over your eyelid as I have shown in the video. So now let's put on some mascara. It will change the whole eye look and make your eyes look more fluttery. Apply a good coat of mascara to get the fuller lashes. Also apply the remaining mascara on the wand on the lower lash line. So now let's apply some blush on our cheeks to get some color back on our face. Also apply some on the tip of your nose to get that youthful look. Apply some highlighter on the high points of your face to get that festive glow. So let's move on to the lips. Use a lip liner to line your lips. I have used a pink lip liner. Now take a nude lipstick and apply it all over your lips to get that pink ombre look. So after applying your lipstick, you can pout too. And we are done. So yeah, if you like this makeup look, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye, sayonara.